Hi guys, I'm back with an all new paper airplane I made, and it's called an arrow shark. This thing flies extremely far, and when you throw it as hard as you can, it's kind of like a bow and arrow. They go super far. So if you want to make it, let's go. Okay guys, I'm back and I'm going to show you how to make it. So, first thing we need to do is fold this in half, lengthwise. So get it to where the points meet and try to make it as precise as possible for the best outcome. Sorry for taking too much time on this part. Okay, now unfold it, and this line that we just made is kind of going to be our reference point. Got to fold this line right here against this line, right down the middle. Now do the same thing with this side. So, next we're going to fold this part down like this, all the way across until it hits the line. Okay, now do the other side. Okay, now fold this point all the way down to here. So go all the way to here. And then fold it up about this much. Okay, so next thing is going to be probably the trickiest part. Fold this edge right here, not this one, just this one, onto this right here. So this piece will hang over. So right here. So like that. And then this piece that is hanging over, fold it up until it goes against that reference point. Okay, now turn around and do the same thing. Sorry for all the noise. We're in Hawaii. They have so many scooters. Okay, doesn't look too even, but that's okay. Yours will probably be a lot better. So, fold it in half, straighten the wings, and make all the edges better. It's really pointy. Okay, next thing's next is to make the wings. This part's pretty tricky, so pay attention. Fold this piece down like this. Gotta push it hard. Like that. Right along the edge. Okay, now flip it over and do the same thing. Okay, now, can you guess what's next? Before anything you see, guess what's next? And if you find out, leave it in the comments below. So, next is, so this is our second hint. Guess what's next? So in the comments below, put it first hint, got it right, or second hint. Well, no first hint. There was no first hint. So this is just our first hint. So, if you guys don't get it, this piece is fold up to make it more aerodynamic. So we need to make that the same with this. So, fold these pieces up, but don't care about this thick part right here, so it looks like that. Sick. Okay, now do it on the other side. Right here. Put it up, put it in. Just make it a little more smooth. And we got it. Paper arrow shark. And now I'm going to show you how it flies.